Hello, and welcome back. If you are watching this, congratulations! We have officially survived another year of absolute beauty chaos. We made it through the strawberry girl summers, the latte makeup autumns, and whatever that weird trend was happening on TikTok last December. But guys, check your calendars. It is January 2026. The future is now. And you know what that means. It is time for some serious spring cleaning. Not your closet, not your pantry. I'm talking about your vanity. Today, we are having a little intervention. We're saying goodbye to the makeup trends that have overstayed their welcome. So grab your matcha. Let's get into the trends we are evicting in 2026. First up on the chopping block, we have to address the elephant in the room with the slicked back bun. The clean girl aesthetic. Look, I get it. For a while, it was refreshing to look natural. We wanted to look like we drank 8 gallons of water a day and never stressed about rent. But can we admit that the clean girl thing became a little toxic? It stopped being about makeup and started being about having perfect genetics. It became this pressure cooker where if you had a single hair out of place, you weren't clean. In 2026, I want this trend to disappear because it's boring. We stripped away all the artistry. We became afraid of color. We became afraid of looking like we tried. So what are we doing instead? We are embracing the lived-in look. Think 90 seconds grunge, but softer, smudged liner, a little bit of chaos. I want to see makeup that looks like you had a fun night out. Not like you just left a dermatologist's office. Let your mascara be a little clumpy. Let your eyeliner migrate a bit. It's cooler, it's sexier, and honestly, it's way less maintenance. Perfection is out. Personality is in. Moving on to number 2. Please, for the love of everything holy, can we retire the extreme glazed skin? Okay, that sound effect was gross, but so is the trend. Last year, we were applying so much highlighter and face oil that we didn't look healthy. We looked damp. Like, did you just run a 5,000 in 90% humidity? Damp. The problem with extreme glow is that it doesn't translate in real life. On camera, sure, you look celestial. In person, you look sweaty. And if you have texture or pores, which we all do, that high shine acts like a magnifying glass. For 2026, let's aim for cloud skin or satin finishes. We want to look hydrated, yes, but we want a soft focus blur. Think of velvet, not glass. Use glow strategically on the high points of the cheeks, but powder your T-zone. Let's bring back the dignity of a semi-matte forehead. You don't need to reflect the entire room on your nose bridge anymore. It's about balance, people. Okay, this next one is a bit of a hot take. It's about a mindset. I want us to stop with the aggressive dupe culture. Hear me out. I love saving money. Who doesn't? But in 2025, it felt like we couldn't enjoy a product without 500 videos shouting at us. Shouting, don't buy that. Buy this $5 version that smells like chemicals. We got so obsessed with getting the look for less that we filled our drawers with junk. We treated makeup like fast fashion. We bought 10 cheap lipsticks we hated, instead of the one high-quality lipstick we actually wanted. And honestly, it kills innovation. If fast beauty brands copy everything instantly, why would anyone innovate? For 2026, the vibe is mindful curation, or what the cool kids are calling under-consumption core. Buy less, buy better. If you want the luxury foundation, save up and buy it. And use every last drop. Let's fall in love with our products again, rather than treating them like disposable content. Trend number 4. We need to talk about lips. Specifically, the beef lip combo. You know the one. The dark brown liner that isn't blended, paired with a pale concealer center, and overlined to the gods. It's giving cartoon character. It's giving mustache. I love a defined lip, but we started drawing on lips that defy physics. When I can see the texture of your skin ending a quarter inch before your lip liner ends, we have gone too far. It looks amazing in a filtered photo, but crazy in harsh daylight. In 2026, we are doing the blurred or bitten lip. Take that liner and smudge it. We want soft edges. We want it to look like you've been kissing, not like you used a stencil. Asian beauty trends have been doing this for years, focusing on the gradient. It makes your lips look fuller in a natural way. Not a "I just got filler 5 minutes ago" way. Soften those edges, ladies. Number 5. Let's talk about the 12-step morning routine masquerading as makeup. Who has the time? First toner, then essence, then serum, then moisturizer. By the time you put pigment on, you have so many layers it starts peeling off like eraser shavings. The replacement, skin streaming, simplifying. In 2026, find a moisturizer that works as a primer. Find a sunscreen with a tint. We are busy. We don't need to be mixologists in our bathrooms every morning. And finally, the biggest trend I want to see disappear in 2026. The algorithm face. You know what I mean. The face that looks the same on everyone. The fox eye lift. The tiny button nose contour. We spent years trying to contour our faces into a specific filter. We ignored our own bone structure to paint on someone else's. If you have round eyes, why are you taping them to look almond? If you have a strong nose, why are you shading it to look invisible? We started looking like clones. It's creepy. The replacement, hyper-personalized beauty. Look in the mirror. What do you have? Cool hooded eyes? Awesome. Do you have a square jaw? Highlight it. Don't hide it. 2026 is about working with the canvas you have. Let's stop trying to look like an imvu avatar. So, there you have it. The clean girl is getting messy. The glazed donut is powdering her nose. The dupes are being donated, and the clones are finding their individuality. I feel lighter already. Don't you? I want to know what you think. Am I totally wrong? Is the clean girl aesthetic your ride or die? Drop a comment below and let's argue about it respectfully. If you enjoyed this rant, please like and subscribe. It helps me buy more non-dupe lipsticks. Until next time, keep it cute, keep it blended, and for heaven's sake, put down the face oil. Bye!